I'm going to show you a trick that I bet you don't know. Stop doing this. To fit the column size like this, first you are going here, and you double-click here, and it will fit the size of column according to data. But this is not good way to fit column size. Instead, select All Data, and then use this simple shortcut. Press Alt plus O plus C plus A from your keyboard. Boom! As you can see, it will apply auto-fit column size function for you to fit the column size. Hello everyone, welcome to multiType. Today in this video, we will see some basic shortcuts of Excel. It is going to important of your office work. As a computer operator or if you are Excel user, you must need to learn these shortcuts. After you learn these, you will be able to work very fast. And it will boost your Excel work to professional level. Stop manually adding date and time like this in Excel sheet. Instead, use this simple shortcuts to add date and time. If you want to add date, then just simply press Ctrl plus semicolon. There we go, it will add current date. And if you want to add current time, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. As you can see, current time. Do not waste your time on formatting the data like this. You will select column, then you will find the Format Cell option in top ribbon. Instead, use this shortcut. First, select the column where you want to change the format of the data, and then press Ctrl plus 1 from your keyboard. It will open Format Cell dialog box for you. And now here, change the format as you want. Shift plus space. This shortcut used for selecting the row. If I want to select number 3 row, I will click on any cell of number 3 row, and then press Shift plus space key from keyboard. As you can see, number 3 row has been selected. Control plus space. This shortcut used for selecting the column. If we want to select the entire column of B, then just click on any cell of column B, and press Ctrl plus space. Now the B column has been selected. As it is, I want to show you to select E column. Select any cell of E column, and then just press Ctrl plus space key from your keyboard. Ctrl plus Shift plus. For help of this shortcut, we can insert column and row in the data. Imagine if we want to add a column over here. So we will select this column, then press Ctrl plus Shift and plus key from your keyboard. It will add a new column. As it is, if want to add new row, then select any row where you want to add. And press Ctrl plus Shift and plus key. As you can see, it will add new row to your data. So whenever you want to insert column and row in the data, you will use this shortcut Ctrl plus Shift and plus key. Ctrl plus minus. For the help of this shortcut, we can delete column and row. Imagine if we want to delete this B column, then we will select B column and press Ctrl plus minus key from keyboard. So now, the B column has been deleted. As it is, if you want to delete the row, just select the row and press Ctrl plus minus key. As you can see, third one row has been deleted. Ctrl plus F1 if we want to hide this ribbon. So for this, we will use Ctrl plus F1 shortcut key. If I will press Ctrl plus F1, the ribbon has been hide now. If you want to show the ribbon again, then just press Ctrl plus F1. So the ribbon will be unhide. Ctrl plus Shift plus L. This shortcut used for adding filter in data. Imagine if we want to add filter on this data. So for this, click on any cell of this data and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L from keyboard. As you can see, if the column has a drop down, its mean filter has been added to this data. So filter the data. Just click on this little arrow and filter your data as you want. Now, if you want to remove the filter from this data, again, click on any cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. From your keyboard it will remove the filter function. Ctrl plus F9 in the Excel if you want to minimize active workbook. So if you are working on multiple workbook and you want to minimize the workbook, just use this shortcut Ctrl plus F9. As you can see, workbook has been minimized now. Control plus Tab key. This shortcut used for switch workbook. If you have opened multiple workbook and you want to switch the workbook, just press Control plus Tab key. Now we switch to second workbook. Shift plus F11. This shortcut used to create new worksheet. For now, we have here only one worksheet. If we want to add new worksheet, then just press Shift plus F11 from keyboard. As you can see, the new worksheet has been added over here. Alt plus E plus L. This shortcut used to delete active worksheet. Imagine I need to delete number 2 worksheet. For this first will come in this worksheet. Then press Alt plus E plus L from keyboard. As you can see, the worksheet has been deleted. Control, page up and page down. For the help of this shortcut, we can jump into other worksheet. Imagine if we need to jump worksheet number 2, so we'll press Control plus page down key from keyboard. And if we want to go worksheet number 1, then press Control plus page up. If this Excel tutorial found you helpful, then please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.